Give me the 401 about buying a condo.
So how condos works is you buy one, but it also can be an apartment, and some of them can also be a townhouse. And they also have condo fees, which you would have a mortgage and a condo fee. They also could possibly have a homeowners association fee. Now, with the condo, if you were to fall behind on your condo fees, you could possibly get a lien on your house, and you still have to make the payments for your mortgage and HOA fee.
That's right. That is right.
So with that being said, the perks about condos is you don't own the outside. The outside is taken care of by the condo association. So that means the roof, possibly the patio. It just depends on what the condo documents say. And that also may include a playground, the gym, and just common ground.
Word?
Mm-hmm.
If you're looking for a house, you should hit up me, Adia Flore, and I'm licensed in DC, Maryland, Virginia.